Is NAPS2 not working the way it used to? If you're dealing with crashes, scanning errors, or strange settings, resetting the application can often fix the problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to safely reset NAPS2 while keeping your important scanned files safe. Before resetting anything, close NAPS2 completely. If necessary, open Task Manager and make sure there aren't any NAPS2 processes still running in the background. This prevents configuration files from being in use while you reset them. If you've created custom scan profiles, it's a good idea to back them up first. These profiles store your scanner settings, paper sizes, and other preferences. Saving a copy means you can restore them later instead of creating everything again. Now press the Windows key and the letter R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Open the NAPS2 folder. If you want a full reset, rename the folder to something like NAPS2 Backup, or rename the configuration files instead of deleting them. This is a safer option because you can always restore the original files if needed. The next time NAPS2 starts, it will automatically create fresh default settings. Open NAPS2 again. Since the previous configuration is no longer being used, the program will generate a new set of default settings automatically. If the issue was caused by corrupted configuration files, the application should now work normally. Finally, create a new scan profile or choose your scanner again, then perform a quick test scan. If everything works correctly, your reset was successful. If the problem continues, you may also want to update your scanner driver or reinstall NAPS2 as the next troubleshooting step. And that's how to reset NAPS2. A simple reset can solve many common problems without affecting the PDF and image files you've already saved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.